Number 1. 2001 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,900, with 170,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a gray interior, the truck has a classic look that still stands out today. It is powered by a reliable 2.4L inline four-cylinder gasoline engine producing 142 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute and 160 lb-ft of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute, offering a smooth balance of efficiency and everyday usability. As a 2WD model, it provides comfortable handling and practical performance for commuting, light hauling, or weekend use. The truck has recently received a fresh oil change and inspection, showing that it has been cared for and maintained. The engine runs strong, the automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the overall driving experience reflects Toyota's well-known durability and reliability. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, equipped with a dependable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It currently has 202,000 miles and features a black exterior complemented by a clean tan interior. The truck is an extended cab 2WD model that runs and drives good, making it a solid and reliable daily driver. The vehicle has been well maintained and recently received several important upgrades and maintenance items, including a new starter, new fuel pump, and new timing belt. The AC and heat both work great, providing comfort in all seasons. It also comes with tires and wheels that have less than 25,000 miles on them, adding to its overall value and reliability. Both the interior and exterior are in good shape for the year, showing that the truck has been cared for over time. The body presents well, and the cabin remains clean and comfortable for an older pickup. Number 3. 2000 Ford F-150, price $10,000. This truck is powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It has 245,000 miles on the odometer and features a black exterior with a matching black interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance. The truck has been well cared for over the years and has always been garage capped. It recently received several maintenance upgrades, including brand new tires, new brakes, new shocks all the way around, and a fresh tune-up, helping ensure it runs and drives strong. The air conditioning blows ice cold, making it comfortable to drive in any season. One of the standout features is the original front bra cover that comes with the truck, along with a set of matching Harley-Davidson floor mats that add a unique touch to the interior. This F-150 would make a great daily driver, weekend cruiser, or addition to any classic Ford truck collection. Number 4. 1989 Toyota pickup, price $9,500, comes with a clean title and is powered by a 3.0L V6.3 VZE engine paired with a manual transmission and 4WD. It has 208,000 miles and runs on gasoline. The truck features a white exterior with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. The air conditioning works great, making it comfortable for daily driving or weekend use. A number of upgrades and maintenance items have already been completed, including a remanufactured transmission, newer tires, shocks, and radiator. It also features custom powder-coated SR5 aluminum wheels, a backup camera, and updated Toyota grille and emblems that add to its appearance. Inside, the truck has been refreshed with a new carpet kit, upgraded seats, speakers, seat belts, and custom door panels. The dash pad is in excellent condition with no cracks. It also includes an Android/Apple CarPlay system for modern convenience while keeping the classic Toyota style intact. Number 5. 1991 Ford Ranger, price $4,100, comes equipped with a reliable 2.3L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has only 76,000 miles on the odometer and features a gray exterior with a red interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance and mechanical updates. An oil change was completed this week, while the brakes were replaced in January 2025. The transmission was professionally rebuilt in August 2024, and a new windshield was installed in April 2024. The previous owner also replaced several important components, including the alternator, power steering pump, ignition control module, ignition coils, spark plugs and wires, fuel pump, fuel filter, transmission filter, and differential gasket and fluid. Number 6. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,980, well-maintained pickup that runs excellent and is ready for its next owner. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable gasoline engine, making it a dependable daily driver or work truck. The odometer shows 250,000 miles, and the vehicle has been fully inspected to ensure it is running strong. Recently serviced and professionally detailed, this Sierra is being offered with a clean title and presents itself in good used condition. It features the attractive light autumnwood metallic finish paired with a neutral interior, giving the truck a clean and timeless appearance. Number 7. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,700, with 324,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, a green exterior, and a clean beige interior. The truck comes with a clean title and is described as running strong and ready to go. It has been maintained as a dependable pickup that would make an excellent choice for work, daily driving, or anyone needing a reliable truck. The engine and transmission are both reported to be strong, providing dependable performance, while the solid body gives the truck a tough and durable feel. Inside, the beige interior is clean and well kept, showing that the vehicle has been cared for over the years. With its combination of reliability, practicality, and classic Chevrolet styling, this 1500 stands out as a great work truck that is ready for its next owner. Number 8. 1981 Ford F-150, price $4,500, powered by a strong 351M engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck has 163,000 miles and runs and drives well, making it a solid project truck for someone looking for a classic pickup with potential. It features a brown exterior matched with a brown interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The current owner states that the truck has a clean green Oklahoma title in their name along with a current tag. Recently installed parts include a new battery, power brake master cylinder and booster, power steering pump and hoses, power window motor, door weather stripping on both doors, seat cover, and a newer set of tires. The transmission fluid has been changed, including a new filter and pan gasket, and the oil and filter were also recently replaced. Number 9. 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,000, powered by a strong 5.9L engine paired with a 46RE automatic transmission. It has 215,000 miles and runs on gasoline. The truck features a blue exterior with a gray interior, giving it a classic sport truck look. It comes equipped with a Hughes manifold, cold air intake, Holley 52mm throttle body, and orange Mopar valve covers. The suspension has been upgraded with a Beltec 4.7 drop that sits level with no lean, while the 15x10 wheels are wrapped in new tires. Additional upgrades include new ball joints, a new headliner and visors, plus a loud aftermarket sound system. The truck does have a minor transmission leak and could use a new paint job, but overall it is a solid and well-built Dodge with many upgrades already done. Number 10. 1987 Jeep Comanche, price $4,200, powered by a strong 4.0L inline-6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, and the 4WD system works properly. Showing 149,200 miles, this classic pickup features a red exterior with a black interior and remains in good running condition overall. It has received an extensive list of recent maintenance and upgrades, including a new distributor, starter, water pump, serpentine belt, fuel injectors, fuel pump, brand new battery, spark plugs and wires, fuel pressure regulator, alternator, coolant reservoir, wheel bearing, and shocks, along with several other replacement parts. The truck runs well, the brakes are solid all around, and the electronics are in surprisingly good condition for its age. The 15x8 LJ wheels give the truck an aggressive stance and complement its classic look nicely. It does have some rust and a cracked windshield.